Hello, in this lesson, I want you to solve systems of inequalities by graphing. I want you to determine the coordinates of the vertices of a region formed by the graphs of a system of inequalities. The vocabulary we're going to take a look at is system of inequalities. Well, a system of inequalities is just two or more inequalities that we're going to graph. And so we're going to just put both of them on the same coordinate grid. So if we take a look at example 1, I'm going to start by graphing y is greater than 2x minus 4. So I'm going to take a look here. My y-intercept is negative 4, so I'm going to go down 4. My slope is 2, so from that point I go up 2 to the right 1. And since it is just greater than, I'm going to have a dashed line going through these points. And then it says it's greater than, so I'm going to shade above my line, vertically above. So this region right here gets shaded. Make that a little bit thicker so we can go a little bit faster. Okay, then I want to do my other inequality. My other inequality is y is negative 0.5x plus 3. So I notice my y-intercept is 3, so I'm going to go up 3. And then my slope, negative 0.5, is actually negative 1 over 2, so I go down 1 to the right 2. And this is a solid line. And down 1 to the right 2. Oh, there it is. My purple didn't show up very nice. Okay. And we want to shade less than this line. So what I'm really interested in is the part of the shaded region I already have that's less than that line. Because, yes, I should shade everything below this line. So if I shade everything below that line, it'll be, whoops, I don't want the same color. Sorry about that. Let's try that again. Whoa, get back your dog. Okay, let me erase that. Wanted a yellow there. There we go. So I'm going to shade below this line. But what I'm interested in is the part of the graph that is double shaded. So my solution is going to be in this area right here where it's both yellow and red. Anything that's on the solid line in that region, anything that's shaded in that region. But if you're on the dashed line, that won't work. Okay, let's take a look at the next example. We'll do kind of the same thing. Just going to take a look at a couple different problems here. So my y is greater than or equal to x plus 5, so I go up 5. Put a point on my graph. My y-intercept is 5. My slope is 1, so you go up 1 and over 1. And then I'm going to have a solid line because it's greater than or equal to. And since it's greater than, I'm going to shade above my line. So we're looking at this region right here. Now, if I look at the next problem, I'm going to do x minus 4. So I'm going to go down 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. And then I'm going to go up 1 and over 1, just like I did before. And this will be a dashed line. And I'm going to shade below this line. Well, notice when you shade below this line, they don't intersect, do they? So we don't have anything that is true for both inequalities, so this would be a no solution problem. If they don't intersect, it's no solution.